Hi everyone, I am Anne and today I am engraving my own acrylic lamp with one of the newest craft kits from Resparked. The company Resparked launched a bunch of craft kits and sent me the acrylic lamp engraving kit to try out. In a booklet that comes with the kit, there's a QR code you can scan for a short tutorial before you begin. Of course, the kit includes the acrylic lamp itself, together with a bunch of templates you can use in your design. These templates don't appeal to my imagination, so I will make something else. The kit is designed to use in combination with the Customizer engraving pen, but that's not included in this kit. It's very handy they added a small sheet of test material, so you can practice a bit before you start your project. A white marker for your design, and last but not least you also get a charger for the lamp. Let's get started. I made 3 designs of my own, a bunch of cats, a cassette tape and a floral pattern. I went with the cats. I have experience engraving glass, but I never engraved acrylic. I was worried that the material would gunk up the engraving bit because it's a type of plastic, or that it would leave ugly edges along my engraved lines, so the test material was a blessing in disguise. I made some marks and scribbles to get a feeling of how the engraving pen behaves on the surface, and I tested which diamond bit would fit my cat design the best. I understand why they added a white marker. The engraved lines are white, and when you draw your design with a marker, you have an immediate idea of how the engraving's gonna look. However, I found it a bit difficult to see where I was engraving, like drawing with a white pen on white paper. So I printed my cat pattern on a piece of paper, taped it underneath the acrylic and traced the design directly. One drawback from having your pattern on the back is that you need to look at your work from the same angle throughout the project and not rotate it because of the thickness of the material. Otherwise, the engraved lines on top of the acrylic would visually deviate from the printed lines underneath the surface. For the best and neatest result, I found it's best to engrave the lines from bottom to top due to the rotation of the engraving bit. Actually, the process is pretty straightforward. The acrylic didn't melt or clog up the engraving bit at all, and coming up with the design was the most difficult part. It's a bit pity there's only one acrylic sheet, so you can't make 2 designs and switch it up from time to time like you would with a photo frame. It would have been nice if you could buy some extra sheets separately. I need to try if this also works with an acrylic sheet of the same thickness that you can buy at your local hardware store. Maybe even a colored acrylic, that would be quite funky. I am also a bit bummed about the charger. Most electrical devices these days have a USB-C connection, but this lamp has a different one. So if you lose your charger, you're in trouble. But other than that, I had a lot of fun with this kit and I'm very pleased with the end result. When finished, all it needed was a good clean to wipe away the dust and fingerprints and it's ready to go. Please like and leave a comment down below to let me and other viewers know what you would engrave on your own lamp and what you'd like me to make next. Have a nice day, until next time.